Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device model and OS version so you know which control center features should be available. Once done, make sure the device is charged above 20% and connected to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and go straight to Control Center. This is where you enable access and customize shortcuts. You're taking action immediately to avoid guessing later, and these checks prevent wasted steps if a feature is simply unsupported on your hardware. You should enable access within apps and lock screen so Control Center is reachable in all contexts. This explains why taps sometimes fail. Then add or remove shortcuts under included controls to match your workflow, because fewer items reduce accidental gestures. Once that's done, rearrange controls so your most used actions sit at the top. This speeds access and reduces misswipes. If gestures conflict with an app, make a note to test that app next. Adjusting order often resolves overlap issues. You finish by testing the actual gesture. Swipe down from the top right or swipe up from the bottom depending on your device, and confirm each control responds. If it's unresponsive, restart the device and toggle Control Center settings off and on. That often clears transient software glitches. Make sure your OS is current, and if nothing works, back up then restore the device as a last resort. A single troubleshooting tip. If controls disappear after an app update, force quit the app and retry the gesture immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.